press the auto stop button. The machine will stop working. Friends who are new to the machine first need to familiarize yourself with. Let's talk about how to use it in detail. First, add the tube. When clamping the tub, make sure the end is better, and a little round jia on if the tube head is too flat. Take it out and don't clip it in. Don't put it in. Use your finger to block it when clamping the tube. So it's easy to put the tube in. After clamping, there is an independent switch on the pipe loader. After opening, the vibrating plate will jump. It shakes the tube to make it even. Now let's try to put the tube on. Press the manual button and then release. It will automatically feed. Let's press it again. The second straight tube comes up. Why do the pipes get stuck together now? Because we didn't feed the material. The straight pipe inside is empty. The needle pushes out. The straight pipe can't be pushed out, and the straight pipe can't fall. The pipes will pile up. If we add the material, the situation of getting stuck together won't happen. Let's talk about the functions of these accessories. After the pipe is installed, there is an adjustment piece. Because the length of pipes we buy will vary, if the tube is longer, it will bend or break the pipe when installing. We need to adjust it backward a little bit, push it back, leaving a gap of about 2 millimeters is the most suitable. If the tube is too short, the straight pipe can't push. We can adjust it forward. This adjustment piece is for this purpose. What is this adjustment piece for? This adjustment piece is called auxiliary pipe presser. It is gently against the pipe head. After we put the tube on, some friends buy pipes with slightly larger diameter, and the diameter is big. When pushing it out, the tube will run back in advance. If this happens, we can press the spring plate down. Press it down, but it's hard to do now. If this happens in the future, just remove the feeder, and then you can take the spring plate off, fold it down at an angle. Don't press it too hard, nor to tie loosely. If it's too tight, when we put the tube in, the tube won't fit in. It will damage the tube. And it will be like this. If it's too loose, the tube will not be held in place. When the machine works, the tube will run back in advance. Friends, you must adjust the spring pressure. Adjust the pressure of the spring plate properly. Just pull it up or press it down a bit. Now we are adding material. This machine can handle both long and short materials, but it can't be used for powder. Now we are using long materials, but the dryness and wetness are quite important. Friends, it's best to buy a moisture tester like this. Insert it in the material, and it will show immediately. My moisture content is 22. The moisture is too high. My moisture content is too high. Friends, if you want to make it well and fast, it's best to control the moisture at 13 to 15. If over 18, the finished product will not be good, or it will not be successful directly. So friends, you must control the moisture of the ingredients. Because we are familiar with the machine, I can also make it. Now, let's add the material. The feeding process is also very important. Shake the material in gently. Shake it loose, and it must be loose.